Here's a clear step-by-step guide to assembling the Royal Flair Piazza deck. Step 1. Level the Caravan. Ensure the Caravan is on level ground. Deploy the stabilizer legs on each side to stabilize the Caravan. Step 2. Adjust the front A-frame stabilizer. Lower the front A-frame stabilizer leg. Adjust the A-frame to a level position and then remove the jockey wheel. Step 3. Remove front canopy clamps. Take off the clamps from each side of the front canopy. Step 4. Lift the canopy roof. Using the handle, lift the canopy roof. Gas struts will assist in lifting. Lower the canopy floor to its designated position. Step 5. Secure the front area. Unscrew the front area on each side slightly, placing the screws halfway in. Step 6. Install the front canopy guard. Gently lift the front canopy guard and slot it into the designated area. Tighten the screws securely. Step 7. Adjust the side canopy rails. Undo the side canopy rails and extend them to align with the front rail. Secure them in place. There's now only one step left. Step 8. Enjoy your setup. Put your feet up and enjoy the view from your newly assembled deck. Arrive in Flair. Stay in luxury with Royal Flair.